tilt it a little more. This scooter only wakes up after morning yoga.
Every day you bend it like this, one day the scooter will ask for a pillow. Don't worry, we'll figure it out together. It's just a little tired, like us for a long day.
Papa, it won't start because it's feeling shy.
Son, modern scooters need buttons. This one needs respect. Ho ho! First petrol, then tilt, then prayer. Only then it starts.
Papa, can I tell my teacher we were late because the scooter was stretching?
This one starts with patience.
Bye-bye!